Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best silicone oven mat is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen tools you can own, offering a revolutionary way to bake, roast, and prepare your favorite dishes with unparalleled ease and consistency, ensuring that your culinary creations turn out perfectly every single time, making it a must-have for any home chef looking to elevate their cooking game and simplify their kitchen routine. Number 5. Amazon Basic Silicone Baking Mat 2-pack. Introducing the Amazon Basic Silicone Baking Mat, your new go-to for easy baking, roasting, and food prep. This set includes 2 convenient mats designed for everyday use. Crafted from food-safe silicone, these mats are designed for repeated use, making them an eco-friendly choice for your kitchen. Enjoy baking with peace of mind. Forget oil, sprays, or parchment paper. The flexible, non-stick surface ensures your baked goods release effortlessly every time. Cleanup is a breeze. These mats are oven-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. For best results, always place them on a baking tray and avoid direct contact with the oven rack. When you're done baking, simply place these mats in the dishwasher for a quick and easy clean. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. Each mat measures a generous 16.5 by 11.6 inches, providing ample space for all your baking and roasting projects. Perfect for any recipe. What we like? This set offers great value with 2 mats for all your baking needs. Its non-stick surface ensures easy food release, making cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a reliable, everyday baking solution that's both economical and easy to maintain, this is the choice for you. What people say. The mat is easy to clean and has a non-stick surface that prevents food from sticking. It is heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it safe to use in the oven. The mat is flexible and can be easily rolled up for storage. Number 4. Linda's Essentials Silicone Oven Guards 3-pack. Tired of painful burns from hot oven racks? Our silicone guards are designed to protect your hands and forearms, making baking and cooking safer. They are an essential kitchen accessory to prevent accidental injuries. Crafted from premium, food-grade silicone, these protectors can handle temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. They are flexible, durable, and perfect for daily use, offering reliable defense against extreme heat. Easily customize the length with scissors to fit your oven, toaster oven, or microwave shelves. Each pack includes 3 14-inch protectors that provide a secure fit and complement your kitchen decor. Simply slide them onto the edge of your oven racks for a snug fit. Remember to remove them before using the self-cleaning cycle. They are also dishwasher safe for easy maintenance. From Linda's Essentials, a trusted family-owned brand with millions of satisfied customers. We focus on creating dependable products that simplify your kitchen tasks and enhance home safety. What we like? Protect yourself from painful burns with these innovative oven rack guards. They offer a universal fit, easily cutting to size for any oven rack. If you frequently handle hot dishes and want to avoid accidental burns, these are an essential kitchen safety upgrade. What people say. The mat is easy to clean and fits perfectly in my oven. I love how this mat protects my oven from spills and burnt-on food. It's a great addition to my kitchen, making baking so much easier. Number 3. Silicone Baking Mat Set 5-piece. Tired of constantly buying parchment paper or foil? Our reusable baking mats are the perfect solution. You'll save money and reduce waste, all while making baking easier. Cleaning up after baking is a breeze with these mats. They are super easy to wipe clean or can be tossed right into the dishwasher. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your treats. You can trust our mats for safe baking. Made from 100% food-grade silicone with a fiberglass core, they are non-toxic, BPA-free, and won't impart any chemical taste or odor to your food. Experience the magic of non-stick. Food slides right off these mats, making it easy to bake cookies, macarons, and more. They are also oven, microwave, and freezer safe for all your culinary needs. These mats are incredibly durable and can withstand up to 3,000 uses. They are designed to endure extreme conditions, ensuring they remain a staple in your kitchen for years to come. Your satisfaction is guaranteed with our 3-year extended warranty. If you're not completely happy, we'll refund your purchase or send a replacement. Enjoy risk-free baking. What we like? This comprehensive set provides multiple sizes for all your baking projects, from cookies to cakes. It's an eco-friendly alternative to disposable parchment paper, saving you money and reducing waste. If you're a passionate baker who values versatility, sustainability, and long-term value, this set is an excellent investment. What people say. The mats are easy to clean and have a non-stick surface. These mats are very durable and can withstand high temperatures. The silicone material is flexible and fits perfectly in my oven. Number 2. Silicone Baking Mat Set of 3. Cleaning up after baking is a breeze. Simply wipe it down with warm water and soap, or pop it in the dishwasher for ultimate convenience. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this baking essential is safe for use in your oven, microwave, and freezer. It offers excellent heat resistance and durability for all your cooking needs. Enjoy perfectly baked goods every time thanks to its exceptional non-stick surface. Your creations will release effortlessly, promoting healthier baking without extra grease or parchment paper. This versatile mat isn't just for baking cookies and cakes. Use it for making candies and chocolates, or even as a stable workbench mat to keep ingredients in place while you cook. This set includes 3 mats to suit all your baking projects. You'll receive 2 large mats and 1 smaller one, providing flexibility for various recipes. What we like. Discover the versatility of this set, perfect for baking, candy making, and even as a workbench mat. It includes different sizes to accommodate various needs, with excellent heat resistance. If you're looking for a multifunctional baking tool that can handle a wide range of kitchen tasks, this set offers great utility. What people say. This mat is made of food-grade silicone, which is safe and non-toxic. The mat is flexible and easy to clean, and it can be used in ovens up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The mat has a non-stick surface, so food does not stick to it. Number 1. Silicone Bread Sling for Dutch Oven, 2 PCS. Experience perfect baking with our premium non-stick surface and anti-slip backing. Say goodbye to sticking and mess, making your sourdough bread baking a breeze. Cleaning up is a snap. Simply wipe it with warm soapy water or rinse it off. It's also fully dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort for your next bake. Crafted from high-quality thickened silicone, it's flexible yet tough. These baking mats resist tearing, maintain their shape, and are built to last longer than disposable options. Achieve consistent heat distribution for evenly baked bread without burnt bottoms. It withstands extreme temperatures, making it perfect for ovens and Dutch ovens. Safely transfer your dough to Dutch ovens without burning your hands. It's also ideal for baking cookies, pizza, vegetables, and meats, making it a thoughtful gift for any baking enthusiast. What we like. Master your sourdough with this specialized bread sling, designed for easy dough transfer into hot Dutch ovens. Its non-stick surface ensures no mess, and it provides optimal heat distribution for perfectly baked loaves. If you're a home baker passionate about sourdough and want a tool that simplifies the process and ensures great results, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. The mat is easy to clean and fits perfectly in my oven. I love how this mat protects my oven from spills and burnt-on food. It's a great addition to my kitchen, making baking so much easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.